Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important issue regarding the introduction of the capital of the partners into a partnership firm. The issue was that whether the capital contribution of the partners in the case of a partnership firm can be added into the income of the partnership firm under section 68 if the partnership firm is not able to prove the credit worthiness of the partners. This issue has been decided in the case of Nova Medicare versus Income Tax Officer, and this case has been reported in 459 ITR at page number 477. The case has been decided on 15 February 2023. In this case, the assessment year is 98-99. We all know that section 68 has been amended from 1st April 2013, in which in the case of closely held companies, if the assessee is not able to prove the source of the source, even then the addition can be made under section 68. But before that, the assessee has not to prove the source of the source. And before that, the case of Lovely Exports was favoring the assessees that if the company assessee or the partnership assessee is not able to prove the credit worthiness of the subscribers, then in that case the addition should be made in the hands of the subscriber and not the company. But after that, after 1st April 2013, the situation has changed. So the most important thing in this case is that this case relates to the assessment year 98-99, so the old law applies. In this case, the addition of 4 lakh was done by the assessing officer in the hands of the partnership firm. The addition was upheld by the CIT appeal and the tribunal. When the assessee was before the Telangana High Court, the assessee was relying on 2 judgments. One is CIT versus M. Venkateshwara Rao, and the other is CIT versus Anurag Rice Mills. In both the cases, it was held by the courts that even if the partnership firm is not able or to give the explanation, or the explanation is not satisfactory to the satisfaction of the assessing officer, then in those cases the addition in the hands of the partnership firm cannot be done. The addition can be done only in the hands of the partners. So, relying on these 2 judgments, the Telangana High Court in the present case deleted the addition made by the assessing officer and said that it is difficult to treat the pooling of the capital as cash credit under section 68. The court also said that section 68 applies for the entries which are done during the course of the business. The court further said that addition cannot be done in the absence of any material that they are the profits of the firm, because in the present case the assessing officer has not proved that this amount represents the profits of the firm. But this issue is not free from litigation. There are a number of the judgments which are in the favor of the department. There are a number of judgments which are in favor of the assessee. But before 1st April 2013, the situation was different, and after that the situation is different. At present, the situation is that the assessee has to prove the source of the source, and the addition will be done in the hands of the company or the firm. In the hands of the firm also, the addition may be done by the assessing officer, but that issue will be not free from litigation. Since this was the case before 1st April 2013, that is assessment year 98-99, so the Telangana High Court gave the decision in favor of the assessee. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Nova Medicare versus Income Tax Officer, and this case has been reported in 459 ITR at page number 477. The matter has been decided by Telangana High Court, and the date of the judgment is 15th February 2023. Friends, I request you that before relying on any deliberations made in my YouTube videos, you have to go through the full case, because the facts may differ from your case and the case which we discuss. So it is always advisable to read the judgment thoroughly before relying on this. And the opinions which are given in the deliberation should not be considered as professional advice, and the assessee is always advised to seek the professional advice from his professional. Thank you, friends.